Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance login not working. If you're trying to log into your Binance account on a mobile device with the help of the Binance app, but you're not being able to log in, then there might be several reasons for that. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your Binance account but you are not being able to do that, then the first reason why you are going through this issue might be you are entering the incorrect credentials. Make sure to enter the correct email address or your phone number while logging into your Binance account, and once you enter your email address or your phone number, you'll also need to type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your login details, then you won't be able to log into your Binance account. So, make sure to enter the correct credentials. If you've forgotten your password during login into your account, you can tap on the Forgot Password link under the login button and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you type in your credentials correct, you'll be able to log into your Binance account right away. If you're still not being able to log into your Binance account, then you can also try logging into your Binance account with Google or with your Apple account. If you're still not being able to get access to your account, then simply close off the application from running on the background. Once you do that, go and tap open your App Store. In the search box, search for Binance and now check if there is any update available for the app. If there is, you'll be able to see an update button right next to the app. Tap on Update to download the latest version of Binance on your iPhone. Once you do that, open up the app and try logging into your account again by following the login process. You can also log into Binance by scanning the QR code if you're not being able to log in with the credentials. Simply go ahead and open up Binance on a desktop and scan the QR code displayed on your desktop login screen with the help of your mobile device, and you'll be able to log into your Binance app right away. Apart from that, you can also try clearing your browser's cache or the app's cache. Go and open up Settings app from your iPhone, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone Storage from the General tab and look for Binance application from the app list. Give it a tap and tap on Delete app from the options. Now tap on the Delete app button again and wait until the application gets deleted from your iPhone. As soon as it gets deleted, go back to your App Store and re-download the application again by tapping on the Install button. Now wait until the application gets downloaded, and soon after it does, open up your application and try logging in again. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to log into your Binance app on your iPhone or your application is simply not working. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.